Hey there. I recently watched a TED Talk where a guy talked about mastery-based learning. And he was really referring to kind of the public school systems and whatnot. And he laid it out like this. What do we do in school? Well, teacher assigns homework. We do the homework, we come in and we talk about it the next day and review it, and then we learn new material, get assigned homework. That cycle repeats for, 2 weeks, and then we have a test, okay? And maybe you're a good student and you make 90%. That was an A for my high school. Sounds great, right? Well, you were actually 10% deficient. There was a kind of a 10% hole in what you knew and understood about the concept. And what do? We move on. New teacher teaches a new concept, homework, repeat 2 weeks, take another test, maybe you make an 85 on it, a B plus, okay? Well, you were 15% deficient. And so imagine we stack this up and do this for years. Imagine the type of holes in the learning, and people say, well, I can't be a rocket scientist, or I can't even do calculus, or I can't do Cal-based physics, or these things. It's because there have been these holes that have not been filled along the way. And next thing you know, you're in a calculus class and you hit a wall because maybe you're not strong enough in exponents or whatnot. Now, why am I talking to you about math and school and testing? Because I really feel like both you at home, the way you're handling your growth and your trading, and me personally, the way I handle my mentees and those that I'm training to be better traders, this is really important stuff. So I know that when I'm working with someone, I have kind of a pyramid, right? Foundational skill sets that we must continue to build on, and as we move into more advanced topics like order flow and things like that. And we don't move on until the holes are filled. And I really want to, not just to say that about my mentoring program, but I really want to tell you guys at home, what are the skill sets that you need to develop yesterday, right? It's extremely important. What do you really need to develop? What's holding you back as a trader, okay? Is it managing trades properly? Is it impulse entries? What's going on? Is it a lack of a great process overall? Fill that hole immediately, right? Close that gap. Don't allow there to be even a small deficit in your foundational skill sets. Close those gaps, fill them, focus on it before you move on to the next thing. And that's going to make you a better trader quicker.